Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do a market scan. We're going to do a follow up on the last market scan we had. We're going to clean up some setups and take it from there. So let's get to it. All right, here we are on Bloomberg. I see no real headline risk. This SpaceX thing has become a big thing. Lebanon has built up. Iran is decreasingly becoming a thing. Nothing real else. So let's get to the markets. So the AUD CAD trade that was triggered on the 12-hour went in as a valid trade. It triggered very nicely. This is a CR that I'm in myself. I think Timmy managed to hit sell-offs on this somehow. I don't understand how that. What? How did you do that? I think he moved his sell-offs like straight to the point where peak profit was or something, because he said he went up 0.2%. That would be pretty accurate. Or if it wasn't this pair, it was a similar one. But yeah, strange. Strange things happen in life. That's life. As for this pair right here, it did reject, but not the way I wanted it to. Didn't go up to previous highs or anything, so I'm gonna remove it from the list as high potential. This pair right here has developed into a very nice CR potential. You can see right here, it is in that volume zone. On the 12-hour, we already have. No wait, not on the 12-hour. On no hour. Yeah, this one doesn't count anymore because of the previous candles. You can wait for either a 12-hour or the 1-day candle to close here, seeing if it's going to be indecision. Remember that all candles are indecision on close though. I would also put in some kind of watch order for this because you're so strong WT that potential for BO is high at these points. It doesn't just perpetually continue down. So an order like somewhere around this zone where you can catch a BO if it decides to explode. Personally, I'd look for a 12-hour CR right here on this one, on this candle. We gotta wait for that to develop. And now let's look for some other potential good pairs. This motherfucker triggered very okay, and it's not too late to enter. You can enter this if you want. I personally wouldn't. Don't put your TP below these levels right here. It will be a 1.5 at this point. You're not WT or CT or either of them, but I'm not interested in the trade myself. I don't like the way it looks. Let's keep on looking. So cross period CRs, yeah, of course. We're gonna have some of those. Let's keep looking. Lost that on. Good. BO there. A very nice one. How did I not see that? Bitcoin's been going down the shitter. What triggered that, by the way, for anyone watching? I know there are some Bitcoin traders in the Discord, but I don't keep up with crypto at all. It's not my field of expertise, if anything at all. Oh, can be a trick. Oh, hello there. That's the Euro USD as well. We have no spread of that. So a lot of setups there. You too? I wanted this close. Yeah, so gold is just keeping So interesting. It looked like it was gonna do some kind of a reversal here, but it just keeps dropping. It's been so overbought. I'm gonna do a play with gold, but not right now. All right, so let's get these setups up, review them, scrutinize them. We have one cross pair and see if they're valid. So this one right here, I explained. You gotta just wait for the candle here. And with this one, except here, you're facing double resistance. If it breaks that, that's strong momentum for a BO right there. And look, that fresh of a candle, it has already moved that much up. It has done a reversal as well in a couple hours. That's strong BO potential. But people are going to snooze, not give a shit. So I'm not going to do. Here we have on the 8 hour, as I saw, potential CR forming right there. Remember that the win rate is lower on the 12, sorry, on the 8 hour. It drops a bit on the 12 hour as well, but not as bad as it does on the 8 hour. You'd have to ignore some previous highs for this setup. Sorry, I mean previous lows right here. Don't like this gapping we saw here. You don't want that kind of gapping. You'd hit sell loss hard, bro. Might be just to wait for some kind of reversal. But this is a valid setup on the 8 hour. This is a very high risk setup. I don't have a high win rate on these. Probably sub. So my overall win rate, as you can see, motherfucker, is 83% with a max balance drawdown of 90.93%. That's the biggest loss I've taken. This is year to date though. This is not that long. So just since 2026, 83% win rate. And these probably have right about half the win rate. So 41. Could go by something like that. So not the safest trades. And this right here is a potential momentum breakout of the range. A potential re-ranging. But it has been up here before with wick, with candles, with everything. But watch for a strong BO movement here. It's even ranging on the 1 hour. Because the candle has moved a lot, so there's strength in it. But yeah, and we can see there is new resistance that is formed here. We can kind of put it in because it is with the 200 MA and all of that. We need to diet down the SR areas. If we do that, it becomes clearer, the momentum. The zones. You see that? How much clearer the BO looks. It's already broken out too. So this is the third attempt. It's looking like the strongest attempt. They all closed higher. You don't need it to beat all wicks. As long as it's close, you can bet on it getting to new highs on that. Win rate on those are also too high, those specific builds that I, but it's not too terrible either. The CRs are what carry the win rate, really. But yeah, that is everything we've got for now. There's no need to talk about SPY. It is doing very good. Dollar index still stable as always. God damn, is it ever going to move? But yeah, with that said, I'm going to end it right here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to enter some of these setups myself. Remember, it is June now, so I can trade myself. I'm no longer at my monthly max. I will potentially see you tomorrow for a market scan, depending on how the market develops. With that said, thank you for watching, and bye-bye.